Hello students, I think you all are doing well. Today I will be discussing on Unit 2 mole concept from the subject Fundamentals of Chemical Engineering. I am Amol Ghosh, lecturer of Chemical Engineering from Pontai Polytechnic. So let's start the subject. First, what is mole? Acha, mole is international system or unit. Mole of particles, 1 mole of particle, 1 mole of substance, 1 mole of ions, 1 mole of electrons is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the 23 number of particles. But exact figure, if you say in exactly it is 6.0221476 into 10 to the 23 particles. So 1 mole of any substance like 1 mole atom, 1 mole molecule, 1 mole ion, 1 mole electron is equal to 6.033 and to the 23 number of that substance. Okay, definition. Achha, definition was adopted in 2018 November. Okay, and it is in SI system. Okay, CGS, FPS, MKS, in all systems there is no place of mole, but in SI system it was adopted. It is suppose carbon 12 atom. Okay, 12 gram, here it is written 12 gram carbon 12 isotope having number of atoms is 1 mole. So 1 mole is 1 mole's definition is number of atom present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Carbon having different isotope, but carbon 12 is taken for definition, and to find the number of mole of particle equals to W by m. W is weight of the substance, m is molecular weight of the substance. Okay, suppose we have 5 gram of carbon dioxide. So weight of the carbon dioxide is 5 gram and molecular weight of the carbon dioxide we know it is 44. So mole of carbon dioxide is equals to 5 by 44. Acha, the term gram mole and mole are same. Okay, so 1 gram mole substance and 1 mole substance equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of atom, molecules, ion, electrons, as I said. So 1 kilomole equals to 1000 mole and 1 pound mole equals to 453 mole. Okay, so next mole fraction. Okay, suppose in a mixture we have carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, 3 gas, and 3 gas having different 3 types of moles. Suppose carbon dioxide 5, nitrogen 6, oxygen 7. So total is 5 plus 6 plus 7, 11 plus 7, that is 18. Now if we want to find the mole fraction of carbon dioxide, where we have to do mole of carbon dioxide divided by total mole. Mole of carbon dioxide is 5 and total mole is 18. So 5 by 18 is mole fraction. So in the definition we can say mole fraction of the component is the measure of concentration. It is also one kind of concentration. Mole fraction is simply number of mole of particles divided by total number of mole of the substance, right? Acha, mole fraction varies from 0 to 1 because suppose in a mixture, suppose a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen is there and we want to find the mole fraction of carbon dioxide. As in the mixture carbon dioxide is not available, only nitrogen and oxygen is there. So in that case mole fraction of carbon dioxide will be 0, and suppose we are taking pure nitrogen. Okay, pure nitrogen, everything is nitrogen, so mole of nitrogen is mole of nitrogen divided by total number of mole is also nitrogen. So here mole by total number of mole is all are in nitrogen. So in this case mole fraction is 1. So mole fraction varies from 0 to 1. Acha, mole fraction, we know mole fraction is mole of substance divided by total mole. Acha, mole, what we studied here, mole equals to number of mole equals to weight by molecular weight. Here we have written same thing, W by Mi. W is weight, Mi is average molecular molecular weight. Okay, so this is this. Okay, so if we have data, so from this we can calculate it. For a mixture, suppose we have different gases mixture, if we take summation of mole fraction, summation of mole fraction will be always equals to 1. Okay, next mass fraction. Mass fraction is also similar to mole fraction. Mass fraction, what is mass fraction? Mass fraction is mass of a component divided by total mass. Suppose I component we are taking, so mass fraction of component I equals to mass of component I divided by total mass of the component. So we write by Wi, small wi equals to W divided by W total. Wi is the mass of this component, W total is total mass of the component. For a mixture, summation is 1, it is similar to this. Okay, no, nothing to worry. Acha, from the equation we know that mole fraction having this formula, I have said mole fraction having this formula. Acha, now if we arrange this, we will find this way. W by summation is this summation we are taking, okay, extra this summation. Now you have to give here, we are taking this summation is extra, okay, W, see this W and summation is taking extra here at bottom. So at top we have to take, so here we have taking, and this term is fixed, and this mi is here, okay. So this term here, this term we are taking as a average molecular weight, okay, and it is written as capital M. Okay, so capital M, and Wi by summation of Wi is what? This is mass fraction. So mass fraction and mi is remain mi. So see that the mole fraction is equals to mass fraction into average molecular weight divided by mi, mass of the component with molecular with mass fraction and weight fraction. We are calculating mass fraction and mole fraction, sorry, not weight fraction. Acha, now average molecular weight, this is its formula, but for problems you can easily calculate it by this definition, summation of I equals to 1 to n yi mi, and yi mi, suppose we have different components, suppose we have 3 components, in that case y1 m1 plus y2 m2 plus y3 m3, okay, simple. And I have also given some problems, some examples, from there you will easily understand. Achha, volume fraction, similar to mass fraction and mole fraction. Volume fraction of component I is defined as volume of the component divided by total volume. Suppose a gas mixture is there in air, suppose you have taken inside a cylinder you have taken air. So if we say mass fraction of carbon dioxide, what you have to do? Volume fraction of carbon dioxide, what you have to do? Volume of carbon dioxide divided by total volume, okay, what you have to do? Volume by carbon dioxide divided by total volume. Acha, Vi divided by summation of Vi. Acha, what we are doing? We are multiplying top and both bottom with P by RT. P by RT we have multiplied. Acha, so PV by RT is equals to N. So N by summation of N equals to N by N total equals to Yi. So from here we got a formula. This is also a formula. Volume fraction is equals to mole fraction, right? And we know from the previous formula here, we know that the that the mole fraction having a relationship with the mass fraction. So combining this and this, we have this formula is required in the problems, in the examples. Okay, next we came to an example. A natural gas having the following composition: methane, nitrogen, 3 component is there. So and all the percentage here given is in volume percent. Here it is volume percent written. It is also written. Calculate the composition in mole percent, composition in weight percent. Volume percentage is given, composition mole percent, composition weight percent, average molecular weight and density at STP. STP is standard temperature pressure. Okay. Acha. From here we know that the volume percentage is equals to mole percent, and in the percentage is given, so easily we can say volume percentage is equal to mole percent. So number A, answer of the number A is volume percentage is equals to mole percent. So similar thing we have to write. Acha, next was weight percentage average molecular weight. Acha, for that I have made a table component mole fraction. Acha, molecular weight, this is molecular weight, average molecular weight, weight fraction, weight percentage. Acha, methane, ethane, propane. Acha, mole fraction, mole percentage is here, so mole fraction you have to divide it by 100. So 83.5 divided by 100 equals to 0.8335. Similarly for the ethane and propane. Acha, molecular weight of methane is 16. How? Carbon's molecular weight is 12 and hydrogen each having 1. We have 4 hydrogen. So carbon 12 plus 4 hydrogen 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. Similarly for ethane and nitrogen, we have 2 nitrogen. So each having 14, so 2 having 28. Average molecular weight, we have formula. We know that formula. From this formula we are getting average molecular weight and it is 18.23. Acha, weight fraction, we know, again here is the formula. Weight fraction is from this formula we can calculate it. So weight fraction we are getting from the formula, and weight percentage is weight fraction into 100. Here we find the weight fraction is 0.7328. so weight percentage is this into 100, so 73.28. Acha, next density at STP. At STP means standard temperature and pressure. Acha, at STP pressure is 1 atmosphere, temperature is 0 Kelvin or 273 0 degree centigrade, sorry, temperature is 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin. So R is 0.82 atm liter, atmospheric liter by mole Kelvin. So for all problem this R value is important. Okay, R value you have to take as per the value of pressure and temperature. From that you can calculate the density, and density we formula in 12, we have this formula. From that the density is 0.7848. so this is all for today. So we see you in next